So today I decided to cut the app on just to see what was up and on and popping, and nothing much was on and popping. I ended up doing Walmart Spark and a little bit of Instacart just to make a couple dollars before I had to log into my work from home job. So as you see, the map is not even highlighted or anything. Like, it's just like nobody moving on a Tuesday morning. Like, I know the kids are out of school, but people still got to go to work. Like, what's going on? You know what I'm saying? So anyway, that's how my morning started off slow. I thought I would do a little bit of ride share, but of course ride share wasn't hitting no much. So I'm here at the Walmart just looking around to see what's going on, see how many cars out here, because that lets me know exactly how busy my morning going to be based off how many drivers are out here. Because I'm not a regular, but any type of side gig, you'll realize that it's regular drivers that be out here faithfully every single day out the week. So that's how I normally engage when I go to these Walmart stores, to see how many drivers are already out here. If I see my regular drivers pulled up, backed up, pull on each other, talking and whatnot. So, like I said, I'm just right here just in trying to engage to see what's really going on out here early in the morning, and it is early. So after I finished doing Instacart and Walmart, I had to do my personal shopping myself for my household. And this lady, when I was coming out, was telling me about these beef jerkies on sale for like $1 just because they had the Easter bunnies image on it. So I got a whole bunch because my kids love beef jerky. That's a nice little snack. I can't sit them all out because they eat them all in one day. So that's what's up with that. But look at this clearance aisle, y'all. Like, look at all these things that's marked down on clearance, y'all. Like, I love, love, love going to the clearance out at Walmart, especially Walmart. Target, yeah, hit and miss. But I looked at this car seat right here. It's a car seat like vibrator. I'm like, oh, that'd be handy. But I'm like, I'm trying to budget to try to buy me a house. I can't be buying unnecessary stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I want to tell y'all, whenever y'all get y'all money orders from Walmart, make sure the amount is correct. Don't never leave that counter without making sure that amount is correct on that money order. I'll tell you another day about an incident I had. So I'm at the Walmart. It's not even that busy as y'all can see. It's like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning. I don't know what's going on, but lately I haven't been seeing a lot of people out shopping. I just got a car, y'all, and I'm out here like looking like, where in the world did I park my car? Now, I've had my car at least a month now, but I still have to be out like, where did I park at? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a type of person, I do things by routine. I park at the same spots all the time. Like, I'm just like that. I guess they say a human. I don't know how you say it, but I just like doing the things the way I do.